wow. Can I just, wow, the texture was so good.
Hi guys, I'm gonna make a DIY slime. First glue.
Glue, and then the next one is the baking soda. Put it on. We use the
Clear glue.
yes, the washable
Clear glue.
Okay, I help you.
It's no more.
No more, man. Just put it all together. Right? Ooh, that's so good. Put it all together. Wow, it's so nice. Yes, we use two washable clear glue.
That sounds like pig.
Sounds like pig. Alright. So it's
I'm gonna read this. I'm
oh.
gonna read on this. Washable clear glue.
Alright.
Wow.
Alright.
And then after that, you're gonna use the baking soda
Where's the baking soda?
there at the back. So we just already used this.
Alright.
2 tablespoons and mix it together.
Where's the spoon?
You just put it there and then you blend it together.
All of it?
Yes, mix it with the washable clear. Mix it. Hold the bowls. Yes, so good.
My hand is shaking.
No, it's not. Good job. Oh, that's nice.
It's turning to white.
No, there's a
Wow.
glue there. Oh, wow. Yeah, just mix it together till it's mix up. Oh, it's really good.
Ow.
And then use this
Oh.
the solution, the contact lens solution.
Let's try this, Mama.
Oh, let's try it. Use this one, the contact lens solution.
Let's try this one.
Oh, that's pretty awesome, right?
Where's the contact lens?
Yes, you need to put a bit of 4 squirts. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
4. That's right. Just add a little bit because your squirt is not too much. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, mix it together.
It's like spray.
Yeah, just like a spray. The contact lens solution for activator.
Or activator. We have here some food coloring.
Not yet. Until we just blend it together. Just blend
Wait.
first the contact lens solution.
Mash it.
Can I stretch it out? It's good the texture. Wow.
Let me try.
No, it's very sticky. Sticky, so a little bit of
What?
contact solution.
Contact solution.
Yeah. 4 squirt again. Sticky. 1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Oh, that's fine. Mix it together.
I put it on the bowl.
On the bowl. Yeah. Can I mix
I'm
it
gonna
together?
mix it. My hand is so sticky right now. Because
Sticky?
your hand is so sticky.
No, it's not.
My turn. I'm gonna
Mash. Yes.
Let's put food coloring.
Yeah. We use the blue food coloring. Okay?
Only 2 drops.
Yeah. Put it all. Wow. And mix it, blend it together until you make the perfect color of your slime. Because you want blue.
Oh!
Yes. So good. Wow. Mix it together.
You take I'm gonna take the texture of it with the spot this.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
Blend it together. Mama will check it out if it's sticky or not. If it's sticky, we could add a little bit of contact solution.
If it's done, we're gonna.
Oh, wow.
If it's done, we're gonna.
Check it out,
put
guys.
We're gonna put the glitter, right?
Yeah. This is our glitter. So we're gonna put it. So check it out, guys.
Mama, buy
Wow.
glue.
Yes.
The glue is so sticky.
Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of contact solution because teamwork is better. So I help you because it's so sticky.
I'm gonna mix when you're putting it.
Yeah. So until it's not sticky.
Oh, so fast! I mean, look at this.
Oh, you're so fast.
Look at this.
Oh, guys. Yokyok is mixing his slime.
Like that.
Oh, and then you put a little bit of your
Glitter.
optional, yeah. Because it's blue, so we make blue glitter to make it shining, 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 shining. Do you think it's really good?
With my hands.
Yeah.
Take that off.
Yeah. You can blend it with your hands, just like that. Just not just like this first.
First, I'm gonna try this.
Wow, so good. Wow, it's good slime. It's perfectly slime now. Really? Wow! That's so cool. Haha.
The slime is so sticky.
No, it's the resolution. So that's so sticky. So smash it with your hands.
It's not sticky now with me.
Yeah. So good. Oh, perfectly we did it, right?
Yeah.
We're perfectly done it. What? So nice. So we have this a slime. Alright. So good. You see the glitters in here? No more glitters because we mix up with the blue one. So alright.
I can still see the
Glitters.
Glitters.
Solid. Alright, let me see.
You cannot see it because it's... Guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of glitters.
Yeah.
All of them.
Wow. And then you just like that. It's really good, that slime. It's perfectly done.
Yeah. Let's put it like this.
Wow, so good. So good, guys. See? It's not sticky anymore.
There's a little bit of glitter in the
Yeah, if it's sticky, you can add a little bit of solution so that it's not sticky at all.
It's not sticky.
Yeah.
You see?
Yay, we did it.
Let's stretch it.
Yeah, stretch it. We can stretch it.
That's yours.
Yeah, I'm gonna stitch it. Wow! Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm gonna make this a circle. Wait, I'm gonna make this a circle. And, bye guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.